Hello everyone, this is Team Rush Hour presenting to you a native Android application called Foundit. This is basically just a lost and found application. One thing we want to make note is that we didn't use the IVLE API for our login because we believe lost and found is a process that involves everyone in the NUS campus, not just the students and the staff. So now we will start by registering an account for the application, and we enter our preferred username and password, and also we hope the user can actually pick the location that they are mostly associated with. In this case, it will be Ridgeview residents, and after completing the registration, we will log into the application. So first function that we want to introduce is the inventory checklist function. So the user can create a new checklist, and through the list of items they can pick what they want to be displayed in the checklist, and also unique items that they want to be seen in the checklist too. So after submitting, you will see it in the grid view, and users can tap on it while making sure that it is in their possession. They can also edit the checklist whenever they want, edit the name of the items and the checklist, the name of the checklist too. After submitting, you can actually see the changes made. Now, if ever required, users can also delete this checklist. Next is the kiosk page, which includes all the kiosks in NUS where users can actually retrieve their lost item or hand in found items. This page includes the name of the kiosk, the location of the kiosk, and if required, users can call the particular kiosk with our call function. All these kiosks are categorized by its general locations, so users can pick these general locations through the drop-down list that is at the top of the app. So now we will simulate a lost and found process, the left side being someone who found an item and the right side being someone who lost an item. So for someone who found an item, you can start by submitting a found report, declaring what item it is, giving it a name, pick the faculty or the residence that you found the item at, and add text to describe your item. You can describe it as a blue item. After that, you can pick the kiosk that is near this faculty that you found it at and submit the report. After you reach the kiosk to return your item, you can scan this QR code on the kiosk at the kiosk to complete your transaction. Now on the right, it's someone who has lost the item and also want to make a lost report. So similar to found, you can pick from the list of items what you have lost, give it a name, pick a faculty or residence that you have lost this item at, and also add text to describe the item. After submitting, you can see there's actually one match to the item, and you can see that someone might find your item at this particular kiosk, and the user can actually approach this kiosk, and if the item is not his, he can declare that this is not his item, and to complete the transaction, he can do the same thing of scanning the kiosk QR code to complete the transaction and say this is not his item. After that, you can see that he is not notified that there is a match for him for his lost item. Now I'll show you what actually happens when the user actually finds the item that he lost. So similarly, you can see the screen on the left is someone who's making a found report, specifying the place that he found the item and adding text to describe the item. So before submitting and completing the transaction, the user has to scan the QR code to verify that he had returned the item to the kiosk. And you can see the screen on the right, the user who lost the item gets a notification to show that there's actually a possible match. And now you can see the user actually scans the QR code at the kiosk to verify that he has found his item. After which you will see the item will not be appearing on the user's lost list. So what you have seen so far is the Foundit Android application. Have a nice day everyone. Thank you for watching.